a.m. Central Time. Wichita, woo, you are getting absolutely nailed by some strong winds out there in southeast Kansas, and those are going to continue to push on towards the east. Straight line wind damage. We're not really looking for much of a tornado threat. Could still see one spit up, but it's going to be mainly hail and strong winds. And really a point worth emphasizing is, yes, a lot of focus on tornadoes for good reason, but straight line wind damage, folks. When we're talking about 78 mile an hour winds, I'm not sure if you've ever been in 78 mile an hour winds. I have. Many of you probably have as well. That is not fun to be in, folks. So it's something to keep in mind. Also, another thing.